DR. I'm now going to show you what's inside the box. It comes with a remote transmitter, AC wall adapter for charging connector that goes in the bottom of the AC wall adapter, nylon strap that goes over the receiver collar, contact points that go on the metal screws, test bulb for testing static shock, and lastly, an owner's manual. I'm now going to show you how to pair your receiver to your transmitter and then basic functions of the unit. So start off by pressing the Y button on your transmitter. The unit will turn on, as you can see. And next you're going to need a pen or paper clip. There's a reset hole. Basically remove the rubber cover. Take your pen or paper clip, whatever you have. Press the hole. It will beep. Once you hear that beep, press the Y button on your transmitter. It will beep again, letting you know it's paired. So the first function I'm going to show you is the vibration function. So right now I'm currently on there. You switch between modes by pressing the mode button and send the signal by pressing the Y button. As you can see, it's vibrating. Now that's at 100. If you want to go to a lower stimulation level, this is only for static shock and vibration. You use the dial on the side, the up and down arrows. So let's say I put it to 10. As you can see, it's vibrating a lot less than it was on 100. So the next function I'm going to show you is static shock. So I press the mode button and I switch to static shock. Use my test light, put it on the metal screws, press the Y button. As you can see, it's glowing orange. So the next function is light function. So I've used the mode button, I've switched over to that. Press the Y button to send the signal. As you can see, as I'm holding the Y button, the red light is blinking inside the receiver. That would be good for locating your dog or in the dark or something like that. The next function is the beep function. So I use the mode button again, switched, press the Y button, and the receiver is beeping. So that's it for the modes. The next two buttons are the 1-2 button and the flashlight button. So the 1-2 button, I currently have this receiver on channel 2. If I were to switch to channel 1 and press the Y button, as you can see, it's not beeping. But I switch back to channel 2, press the Y button, it's beeping. So always ensure you're on the correct channel. The last feature is the flashlight on top of the transmitter. So press it, and it's a little flashlight to help you maybe locate your keys, or maybe your dog's in the dark and you've lost sight. Thanks for purchasing your new dog training system, PET998DR. I'm now going to show you what's inside the box. It comes with a remote transmitter, AC wall adapter for charging connector that goes in the bottom of the AC wall adapter, nylon